Rabindranath Tagore. Real name was Thakur. Rabindranath Thakur. Thakur was difficult for British officials to pronounce correctly, so it became Tagore in English documents, writings, and public references. Over time, Tagore became the common international name for Rabindranath. Rabindranath himself didn't officially adopted it. Rather, it naturally spread through British society and publishing, and he accepted it for easier global recognition. Born in May 7, 1861 in Kolkata, then Calcutta, India, known as Gurudev, first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature 1913 for his poetry collection Gitanjali, wrote the national anthems of two countries, India, Jana, Gana, Bangladesh, Amar, Shonar, Bangla. Literature contribution in poems, short stories, novels, plays, and essays. Supported the Indian independence movement but was against narrow nationalism. Returned his knighthood given by the British after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919 in protest. Believed in universalism, humanism, and education through harmony with nature. Later in life, he also became a painter. Death, August 7, 1941.